Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And earlier today I did a 3D effects with a text, and I started thinking we could do it with the blend tool also. So I've got an outline of a text. It's just a text. I'm going to make a duplicate of that text. I'm going to move it down. We're going to use it later. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to make it something a little bit larger than a hairline. I'm going to make it like 2 points, which doesn't really matter because it's so big. But then I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and I'm going to move it off just a little bit. I'm going to make the one I did in a yellow, so I right-clicked yellow. Then I'm going to grab both of them. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. I'm going to blend them 200 times. And look at that. Now, the reason I kept the original is we could take this now and make it red or whatever color you want it and move it right back. And you've got a kind of a fuzzy 3D text effect that might be very useful. I don't think you'll be able to change it after you, well, you can change it, make it whatever offset you want. So you could really, and you could actually squish it down, but I think it's going to mess up the effect. So you could do that with the blend tool and you could do it in any color. Let's do it for a laser engraver. Let's make the first one black by right-clicking on black and make the second one a gray. A real light gray, and then let's blend them together. Go to Effects, Blend it 200 times, and you get a totally different look. And then if we made this black and put it on top, take away the outline by grabbing it all and right-clicking, whoop, that took away the blend. So what I need to do is nudge that down and take away the outline and then move it back. It gives it a little, it almost looks like you can see the inside of the letters, which might be cool or might not, just depending on what you want to achieve. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.